Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Diabetes mellitus diagnosis, and we are looking at the ADA criteria. So as per this criteria, there is any one of the following. So you have any one of the following. So that includes the symptoms of diabetes. So that includes the symptoms of diabetes. Symptoms of diabetes plus the RBG. RBG is nothing but the random blood glucose. So this concentration greater than 200 mg per dl. Next will be the fasting plasma glucose. The fasting of the plasma glucose. So this is greater than 126 mg per dl. And the fasting is defined as no caloric intake for at least 8 hours. So 8 hours you have no intake. Then when you look at hemoglobin A1C, HbA1c will be greater than equal to 6.5%. The next point will be the 2-hour plasma. So there is something known as the 2-hour plasma glucose. So the 2-hour plasma glucose will be greater than equal to 200 mg per dl, and this is during a oral glucose tolerance test. This is during a oral glucose tolerance test. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.